Can I say something? Hi guys. I'm a video of family from show me. What is this? Bees. Honey. Honey. Don't forget to tell everybody about your new bird. How you how you send how you baby, don't forget to tell everybody about new bird called Ruby Topaz. Yeah. Dick. Go to boot kind. Show everybody the new bird that you just got. Oh. Hello. I'm here named Maman. Okay, so let's go to mystery store. I can buy. Oh, this is my little brother Yasin. Basic pair has ears. I really want to get those, but I don't have no. Honey.
I'm
gonna try to get this. No clover bird. He's got a new bird in bird kind, but he does not want to show it. He wants to chat. Okay. Clover. Okay.
okay. How many
grapes? I got so many things.
coins?
I got $2.
I'm at level
12. At level 12. And you have really eat.
At 8. Yeah.
Still get money though.
His turtle.
Tutu. Like his name is Tutu. Wanna call home?
Yeah.
Then feed him.
Call home.
Feed him.
Feed him.
He must be hungry. Oops, that's not enough. You can search for careful. Go back to the farm to prepare.
Let him rest.
Okay.
It's my turn. I just want to do
Nothing here. Oh,
This is
Now that I got so many of those, I could get pet food. Go like this, show your face. Not like that other video where you just show your hair. Okay, I have some more. I'm not gonna use all of it. That's good. Let's make some other dishes. Let's make some other dishes. Okay. Apple milkshake? I don't have that. Go. No. Then grape milkshake. And I can do this. I think I'm not. Oh, that's a good one. Okay. Do this. Oh, the cheese. Coffee biscuit. Okay. Okay. Now that I have so many things that I could have pet food for. Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay. Show your profile picture. Okay.
I'm this.
This is his profile. I know. This is his profile picture.
Yeah.
Want some food? No, that's not.
This is
chicken.
This is the ad.
My bun. Chicken. Wanna go?
And
Maybe you put some. Look at this.
Clover.
That's his name. I mean her name. That's her name. Okay. Like the dinner puppy. Coco. Yeah. Toto. That's pretty good. I can like. I love Reward. Okay. Got nothing to wear now. Let's go.
We're not gonna video. We're gonna make a collab video about brothers.
That'd be so cool. Okay, I'm go here. New breeding rules. The amount of new pets does not determined by the amount of friends gifts.
That was kind of weird.
Only 3 pets are not located in your pet book. This level chain can be placed in okay.
So what is a new bird when you forgot to add yourself?
Yeah. Oh my god. Look at our new bird. It's called Ruby Topaz. Ruby Topaz. Ruby Topaz.
Is this?
It's this. Ruby Topaz. Okay.
Yeah.
Ruby Topaz. On your phone. I think you saw Fairy Topaz, but I never saw Ruby Topaz. Okay. Let's say. Masterpiece. Hello.
Yeah. Oh.
More question.
Oh.
Okay.
And
Okay. I did reply to him.
What? What?
Okay. No milk in the barn. Oh, hey. Okay. I think I got a pack. No. Oh, yes, I do. A one-star corn pack. Not the best. Like a morning deal. But, okay. I'm gonna go see what my little brother's farm needs. Okay. I'm almost there. Okay, I'm here, guys. Okay. Now that they know who you are, they will certainly help you.
No.
You need their assistance.
Let's see. Where is it?
Okay.
You should definitely download Brookhaven. Even our cousin downloaded Brookhaven. Yeah.
Can't do anything. I can only fertilize.
I
Don't fertilize things. Wake up,
have a
saying
message.
You can use your own fertilizer or one of these to
Who's-
help your body. It will have the same effect as on your own.
This.
Like, if you're like Mars, if you're like
So
a
you got tomato?
cousin,
Super. You are
It
now.
was called
for the
Mazin, and he does not want to play. Okay, then like, and if you like that other guy,
When I can't help my neighbors my buddy anymore.
then you like to play Brooklyn.
Thanks
Wow.
for your visit and
Okay, I'm going home.
not forget to
You know, forgetting.
collect your reward. Let me go home.
Okay, I'm back.
And
Now, here are my home.
The creator who made Brookhaven.
Okay. Let me grow some things real quick since I have some coins.
I think this is gonna be the longest video.
Wait, 13 minutes.
That's 14 minutes.
Okay.
Maybe when the 13 goes into 14, then that means it's over. Then it's 15. When it goes over 15, which is 15, that means you cannot upload this video.
Oh, you watch the video to get reward. No.
Have
Oh, let's go here.
one neighbors.
Can I play? You're not letting me play, guys. Okay.
Can I play?
Wait.
Can I
This
play?
is my video. Okay.
Hello. Oh.
I think it was good.
Hello.
Let's go here.
أنا مستعملة نفسي. أنا مستعملة نفسي.
أنا عاوز أخش الحمام. استنى يا أمير.
أنا مش لازم أروح الحمام.
أنا هروح أخش الحمام.
Sister, who wants to go to the bathroom?
عملتوا فيديوز؟
مش رايحين برنامج.
بزيت بدون عشان ما ينفعش الصوت يطلع.